Here's the UK and Ireland weather forecast for Tuesday, April the 23rd until Thursday, April the 25th, 2013. Let's look back on to Monday then. We'll see the highest temperature was 17 degrees in Cork in Ireland, 15 in Aberdeen as well in Scotland. The fifth warmest day of 2013 so far in general, and the warmest day of the year so far in the Republic of Ireland. The low temperatures remained above freezing overnight, with the average of 5.4 degrees, the fifth least coldest night of April so far. Let's look towards the next 3 days then. The summary is that it's going to be wetter in the north, dry and warm in parts of southern England, and that will be very apparent towards the southeast of the country over the next 3 days. And this weather is helped by a high pressure system which is creeping into the European continent over the next few days, and that extends into southern parts of the UK. And low pressure well off to the northwest, which means colder weather towards the northwest of the British Isles. And we'll see that in the forecast. Here's Tuesday, with rain off to the far north, but partly cloudy skies elsewhere for most of the country, mainly towards the east. We'll probably see the best of the weather, with overcast skies for the western coast, the western extremities, and across the whole of Ireland as well. We'll see overcast skies there. But temperatures not looking so bad, perhaps with a high of 20 degrees in London, 68 Fahrenheit. But elsewhere we'll be seeing temperatures in double figures for most, if not all locations, perhaps 18 degrees the high in Ireland. But now let's look towards Tuesday night, and this is where the rain comes in. Lots of heavy rain to be had in parts of northern England, into Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. We'll be seeing heavy outbreaks of rain here. Remaining rain-free towards the south, with breaks in the cloud for the far south and east of England, but overcast for most other areas. Temperatures won't be falling that far, to around 10 or 11 degrees inland in England and in Ireland, and most places should remain above around 7 or 8 degrees Celsius overnight. Coming into Wednesday, the rain continues, not quite as heavy as on Tuesday, but it is still there, with sunny intervals as well for parts of Scotland where the rain won't be as heavy. The worst of it will probably be seen for parts of northwestern England and parts of Northern Ireland as well. Elsewhere it will remain dry, and that means it will be warm towards the south again, 19 degrees towards the southeast, that's 66 Fahrenheit, and elsewhere we should remain in double figures for most areas. So looking towards Wednesday night, we'll see that the rain has concentrated itself perhaps a little bit further south than on Tuesday night, and throughout Tuesday we'll see the heaviest of the rain falling in the very north of England and in Northern Ireland as well, but we'll also see it creeping down towards the southeast a little bit, down the east coast towards East Anglia. We'll be seeing a little bit of drizzle. Elsewhere will remain clear of rain, but staying overcast. But that means temperatures won't be falling so low, except in Scotland, where it will fall to 2 or 3 degrees, where the skies are a little bit clearer. Now coming into Thursday, and it's going to be a very mixed day. Most areas, well, the majority of areas will be seeing some rain, but where it isn't raining, that's the south of England mainly, will be a very fine and pleasant day. But towards the north of England will probably be the worst of it, with some sunny intervals for parts of western Scotland and Northern Ireland mixed in with the rain. But temperatures may reach 21 degrees in the south, that's 70 Fahrenheit, and perhaps staying in double figures for most parts of England, but in Scotland probably not getting that high, around 8 degrees the high, which is 46 Fahrenheit. Looking at Thursday night, we'll see that the rain has shifted towards the south. It won't be as heavy, but it will be light intervals of rain we'll be seeing for parts of southern and eastern England and some central areas as well. But that means it is clearer towards the north this time, except for the far western coast of Scotland and Ireland, where we'll still be seeing some rain. But that means it's going to be a colder night as well, with low temperatures of 3 degrees Celsius, that would be 37 degrees Fahrenheit, but down towards the southeast it won't fall any lower than around 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. Looking at the extended forecast, it's certainly going to be less spring-like and less warm. It's certainly going to be colder as well. But we'll be seeing some rain also mixed in with that, perhaps with some sunny intervals. We're going to get all seasons over the next few weeks. Coming into May, perhaps we'll see a recovery of the temperatures. But for now, I'll be back in 2 days' time on Wednesday with another terribly unscripted weather forecast, but still fantastic, of course.